What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Today, we got to talk about some breaking news in regards to Coinbase. It is time to say RIP to some of the top 6 altcoins. If you don't know what altcoins are, you have your blue chips and then you have your altcoins, right? The ones that aren't so popular, but still end up listing on Coinbase. But today, Coinbase has decided to say RIP to some of its top altcoins. So, Justin, go ahead and take us to the story so we can react to it live, man.
All right, so Coinbase news. In a recent turn of events, Coinbase Global, the largest trading platform for digital assets in the US, announced it would be suspending the trading of 6 major cryptocurrencies from the platform. This comes after a routine internal review was carried out by the exchange for the month of March. Now, in a recent tweet, Coinbase publicly stated that they periodically monitor the assets on the exchange to ensure they fulfill their listing standards. As a result of this assessment, as well as the subsequent reviews, the exchange has therefore come to the conclusion of suspending the trade of 6 altcoins, which include Rally, DFI Money, Mirror, OMG Network, Loom Network, and I'm not going to try to pronounce that. I think it's Augur, but we'll just say REP because that's just the ticker symbol for it. According to the crypto exchange, trading will be suspended across all levels of trading, including basic and advanced levels, and across all platforms, including Coinbase Pro, Exchange, and Prime. Despite this, customers will continue to have access to their funds they have on deposit and will be able to make withdrawals whenever they choose. The date of March 29th, 2023 has been selected to be the exact moment when the suspension will take effect. So there's the tweet. And then in response to the Coinbase delisting, prices of all 6 cryptocurrencies experienced a substantial decline within a matter of minutes. Augur, which boasts a market cap of 91 million, witnessed a sharp 2%. Oh my God. A sharp 2% decline.
Not a whole 2%.
Oh, it's so sharp. It's knife sharp. And it's currently trading at $8.02. Oh, 2%. Ouch. On the other hand, DFI Money and OMG Network suffered a similar drop of 1% and 1.2%. Oh my God. 1.12, sorry, respectively, within the same time frame. Meanwhile, the native token of Loom outperformed the other tokens by increasing by 0.25% in the past half an hour. And that was at the time of the writing. So yeah, I think it's funny how they threw in this whole sharp fall. But I mean, hey, it sucks for the tokens. Coinbase is obviously, one of the biggest exchanges, and it sucks to be listed there and to fall out of favor and then be delisted. However, I mean, it doesn't seem like they got hurt too bad. I guess we'll see in the coming days. But Hobbs, what do you think about the sharp fall of these tokens?
This is what I'll say. Sometimes it's just time to purge the BS, right? And I think this is just Coinbase just kind of trimming the fat a little bit, right? I think they probably looked down the list and started to see, exchanges make money. Exchanges make money off the trading volume of a token, right? Sometimes if a token is not performing over a period of time, especially during a bear market, it would make sense for that exchange to kind of delist it. Maybe they don't meet the criteria anymore. It's kind of like a stock being on like the I forget the allowance list or whatever that list is. Basically, if you trade under $1 for a certain amount of time, they kick you out of the stock market for a while, right? They send you over to the OTC counter. I think this is probably the same reason for some of these altcoins, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see more of this in the future. But you guys let us know what you think in the comments down below. My name is T. Hobbs from over at the Crypto Shop. The man down there is Jay Seals. We'll catch you guys at the next one, man. Peace.